What does it mean to be seen? Not just looked at, but truly seen. Most of my life, I've looked fine on the outside, strong, capable, even full of life-giving energy at times. But inside, I've carried unimaginable pain and suffering. It started when I was a young girl experiencing intense stomach pains, sharp, overwhelming, stabbing sensations. At the age where I was developing my own sense of self, I was told that my experience was not real, that I looked fine. Get off the floor, stop crying, and go to school, I was told. I learned that the people I loved most around me weren't safe enough for my truth to be expressed without being punished, rejected, or shamed. Years later, I was in a car accident and it changed my whole life. It left me initially stuck in bed with shooting chronic pain throughout my whole body and a host of other issues. Once again, the story was the same. You look fine. This time, not only coming from loved ones, but also from the system that was supposed to help me heal. I even overheard a loved one say, "She needs to get over it." Something inside me shattered and deepened the pain. Suffering in silence while carrying the weight of others' disbelief is a heavy burden. I gathered important teachings along my pain journey. Judgment is easy. Compassion takes courage. And when we judge by appearance, we miss the sacred truth of someone's lived experience. Pain doesn't always show on the surface. Suffering doesn't always have visible proof. Yet it can live in the body, in the breath, in the quiet spaces between words. Every soul deserves to be witnessed, not questioned, not fixed, just seen. Fully, openly, with gentle care. In that space, something deeper began to awaken within me. The realization that I don't need to hide anymore, that my truth is not too much, and I am safe within my own body to express freely. My body's wisdom is sacred and deserves a voice. My sweet childhood self deserves a voice. The one who held her belly in pain, crying on the cold floor. The one who needed someone to believe her, who needed softness, compassion, presence, and patience. Who just needed someone to sit beside her and say, "I see you. You are safe here. I love you."